Yo, what up, my traders? Stay tuned for this video. I'm gonna show you how to identify a hidden seller. Yup. Yo, what up, traders? Got a educational video. Got some tape reading, level 2 time and sale analysis in this video. I'm gonna show you how to identify a hidden seller. So, you wanna look at the level 2 and the time and sales when you wanna identify the hidden seller. And you wanna look at these levels. You wanna try to identify a hidden seller when the stock is coming to a resistance level. Okay. An example here, I'm gonna show you here. Just look at this candle here, 210. It's gonna be a hidden seller here. All right. This is a very short video. It's not really that hard to identify it. What you're gonna see is a lot of green prints go through, and it's only gonna be one seller here at $2.10, and that guy never goes anywhere. He just stays, and the stock drops. You do not want to enter a position when you see that type of action. So here we go, 209. Look at the small orders on the side, the 107. You like when the breakout's about to happen, those numbers start getting small. Like they'll start coming down like it's doing now. But what you don't want to see is it comes down all the way down to like one share showing there, and you see green prints go through, and that 210 guy never goes away. Don't want to see that. All the longs are getting trapped. See, like, look at this. Look at all this too. Look at the greens. Look at the greens. They gave up. 210. So like, and then for one, like, this is even though you see those greens, this is selling pressure. Like this is an indicator of selling pressure. Why? You got 210 stacked up on the axe here. A couple of seconds ago, it was more 210 in the bids. There was more sellers in the bids over here. And then these big numbers, man. These numbers are crazy. These numbers here are way more orders here. You see that on the numbers, but that's selling pressure. Even though you see all those greens go through, and you see these go down, and it's just selling pressure, man. Like, all those green doesn't mean anything. You'll see the tape speed up. You'll see the tape full with nothing but green prints, but that doesn't mean anything if the axe doesn't lift. Look at it, 84, 44, 92, 36. Look at all that green going through. That's a lot of green. It should have got up. It should have lifted, and it refreshed. Look at it. It's getting higher. It was getting lower. Now it's getting higher. More people are putting on orders at 710. At 210, and then never breaks. Now it's gonna come back down. Stocks that's low like this, low price like this, under $3, under $5, tend to be like it tends to be very thick. The level 2 tends to be very thick. It's so cheap to trade. Everybody is doing the same trade, which is right here. Everybody's shorting this at 210. So we'll get another tip here to break highs. A resistance level. All those greens go through 210. But this guy's not gonna go. He's not gonna lift. So I'm not. Look at that. Look at this now. Look at this. Now look at that. You see that? Look at this now. Look at this. Look at this now. 46, 36, 40. There's only 3 here. Why is this guy here, man? And then you look right under it. You got 355, 149, 98. Like this stock is not gonna break out. That's why you need to have this level 2 and time and sale so you can see this. You can see this and just know that this stock isn't going to break out. And you can save yourself a lot of headache and a loss by just waiting for a breakout and waiting up for a hold of that level before you take a trade. Like, you do not want to take a trade before that, trying to anticipate this breakout. So it gave up. It's coming back down. We'll get one more attempt, and then it's gonna be real hard for this stock to break out. Like, look at all these rejections here. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it broke through, didn't hold. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Man, that's like they say. The more it touches it, a resistance level, the weaker it's supposed to get. But when there's a hidden selling there, you don't know what the hell, how many shares this guy's selling there. $2.10 stock. Like, this dude probably that's selling that 210, he probably has like I don't know, 3-4 million shares of this shit. So this will say it's gonna have real trouble breaking over this level here. This is a very strong resistance level. So it's a no trade for me. Not taking no trades, not doing anything in this range until it breaks out. I want to see it break out. I want to see the 210 gap go away. Look at all these numbers, man. This is selling pressure. I got a video on how to identify selling pressure. Go ahead and check that out. I touched a little bit about a hidden seller in that video, but this one here is more in depth about the hidden seller. I hate when the level 2 looks so thick like that. Here we go. One more attempt at $2.10. Got instantly rejected. 210 again. Here we go. Can it break? Here we go. Look all that 210. Look at all the greens. The tape is going slow, so that's indicating it won't break. See, now the tape's speeding up. That's at 6, at 4, 3, and then it refreshes. It gets low. When I say it refreshes, the share size, it gets bigger. Like somebody came on there and put more shares out there. I don't know what the hell just happened there, but somebody came and put more shares out there, and the act size, the share size got bigger. It refreshed. It'll get down to like 2 or 3, and it act like it wants to break, and all the buyers are trying to force it up, but they're getting like it's absorbing it to the upside, and there's a seller taking in all of those orders. He's taking in all those orders, and that stock is just it's going to be no price action. Then it's going to drop again. So do not, I'm telling you, wait for these breakouts, guys. Don't. You can anticipate. You might get lucky. You might get good at anticipating them, but it's just better to just wait for the breakout. If you wait for the breakout, you have to run to a hidden seller. Again, it was only 3 shares there. He didn't get break. He didn't break down. It got larger. Got rail to tape, selling pressure. Like it really excuse me. Excuse me. This stock really wants to break out. It really do. Like there's a lot of people here that like looking at this stock and they're buying it, trying to push it up higher. But there's a guy there, a hidden seller, who's like, fuck no, you're not getting up like higher than 210. Sorry. Yeah, man. And this stock really is not really good of a range. Like I'm only looking at this stock, and I did some paper trading over here, only because my account is not funded yet, and I'm just looking at $2 stock. Like I don't really trade stocks this low in price anyway, because of manipulation, like you seen here with the breakout. It's too much manipulation, man. The stock's too cheap. Anybody can afford it. Anybody can short it, and that's what they're doing, and it just sucks. So that's my example of a hidden seller. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.